Hey everybody, welcome back to Universe Jarvis. Here is another video. If you've been watching the rest of the series, I guess this is a series, I told you guys that I had, well, I guess this is another video. Maybe another one after this, I don't know. But this is what I've been waiting for all day. The other two items that I alluded to in a previous video have arrived, as well as a couple of other things. So let's jump in and start unboxing this stuff. I tell you, it's torture when you know you have something on the way and you're waiting all day. UPS literally just left probably 10 minutes ago, so stuff didn't get here till 7:30. But yet, 9 o'clock, I'm like, your stuff's on the way. So pretty much all day I've been anxious waiting for it to get here. So here we are. Let's do this. So, happy with Best Buy. They actually shipped really quickly. Ordered these, I think, Monday maybe? They weren't supposed to be here to Saturday, but they got them out super quick, which is very impressive because I know it's been like Christmas. In fact, the UPS driver said that because everybody's been ordering stuff, so they have been getting inundated. So here we go. Everybody knows what this is, right? It is a iPad. This is the new iPad, as they call it, or the 7th generation. 10.2-inch screen. This is the space gray one here, I think. That's what the box says. 128 gigs. Got these from Best Buy. They had a sale, that Mother's Day sale I keep mentioning. They were, I think, $329 for 128 gigs. Can't beat that. That is a phenomenal offer. Although this is kind of the budget one. But even though it's a budget one, I think the main thing that sets it apart from the Air, was it whatever the new Air is? I don't know if it's the Air 3 or whatever they call it. Is it doesn't have quite the same screen as that one does. It's a little bit less. The cameras aren't as good, but honestly, who cares? I don't really use my iPad to do video. You can still edit and do all that stuff on here anyway, so I kind of don't see the point in having the really big fancy camera on your tablet unless you're going to be walking around doing video with it. As long as you can still edit, you should be able to airdrop stuff from your iPhone and send it over to it. You shouldn't have an issue anyway, so you know, this is kind of entry level. They've got the keyboard and all that stuff for it, so it's kind of set up for students and things like that. So this is the space gray one, and I'm going to get the other one out the box, and we'll actually cut one of the boxes open and actually look at it in the packaging. So this should be the gold one, which is mine, and I'm going to end up cutting myself with this knife if I'm not careful. Here it is, the gold one. Look at that. That is awesome. Favorite color ever. And same thing. And these are the Wi-Fi only ones. I decided not to go with the data ones. I mean, honestly, unless you really need it as a standalone, it's really easy to tether if you've got the plan on your phone to tether with it, and it actually connects seamlessly since it's an Apple device. So, didn't go that route, and plus it would be extra money per month on the plan. So let's actually go ahead and open this one up, and I've got a couple other things over there to show you. So let's see, big moment, the opening the package. Oh, getting that plastic off, rip it on off. Oh, so satisfying. And let's see. Let me get in it. Alright, so there it is. The gold, the front. And all the standard stuff down in the box. Lightning cable, got your wall adapter. That's pretty much all it's going to come with. And actually, this is something that I want to do to show you guys. So I'm going to go grab it and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. I actually want to show you a side-by-side size comparison of this. So this is the Air 2, if I can get it out of the freaking case. So I've had this one for quite a while now. And so my new one beside my old one. And Apple actually changed the color gold. So this is when they were just doing the gold. They switched over to kind of a rose gold color. But this is the size difference between these two. So I've got more screen real estate. And you can see it on the front as well. So even though we've still got the white bezel going around it, there's still going to be a lot more space on the screen. So definitely an upgrade from a size perspective. And this guy's actually been getting kind of slow. At least for me, it's not as responsive when I go to click on things as it used to be. It's a little bit slower, but that's kind of the fate of Apple products. That's typically what happens. Because as you put all the new software and stuff on there, it gets slower and slower and slower and slower. So that's the unboxing of these in a nutshell. I've got some work ahead of me because I'm going to get them set up. And that's a whole entire process in itself because we want to get screen protectors on there. So these screen protectors I got off Amazon. It's some off-brand Sparn, I think is what they're called. So they're the tempered glass screen protector, 9H hardness, clear. It's supposed to be oleophobic, so not supposed to get fingerprints, blah, blah. They will, so whatever. But it was a 3-pack for about $10. Can't beat that. No point in going to Best Buy, spending $30, $40 on a screen protector when this is the exact same thing, pretty much. I mean, granted, I guess with some of that stuff that you buy like that, you'll get a warranty so you can get a replacement. But why have to go through the trouble just to get a 3-pack, get it shipped out on Amazon, and be good to go. So I got 2 different cases. They're the same case, just different patterns. And since this one, the 10.2, uses the Apple Pencil, this case actually, and this is the composition book, so it's kind of neat. So flexible case, it's just, you know, the polyurethane and, you know, the design there. But this is kind of cool because it actually has a space in here for the Apple Pencil and the adapter for it. Or I think it's a charger or something like that that goes with it. So that'll be pretty nice to pair it with an Apple Pencil. And that's the case. And then this other one, you guys can see through the plastic, it's got constellations on there, which is kind of nice. And I'm wondering how accurate these actually are. Not really into astrology, but I'm wondering if all these names are right. I would hope they are. But that's a side note. So, something non-Apple related, I guess. Might as well unbox these as well. So Coach had a sale. I always talk about slip deals constantly when I'm doing these videos. You guys really need to check them out. You can get some good deals. So Coach had a sale, and Mother's Day is Sunday. But I got myself something, but I, kind of did end up getting my mom something as well. So this is one of the items. Don't know which one it is, and I actually don't need this because these have this handy dandy pull it thing. So we'll just pull that open and we'll see what we got. So yeah, this is actually what I got for my mom. Okay, so it's got a return sticker and it's got the little invoice on there about how much was paid for it. And I haven't ordered anything from the Coach outlet online in a really long time, so kind of had some issues ordering it, but it could be that they were so inundated because of the sale that they were having. So this is the wallet that I got from my mom, and I think this retailed, the original price is $250 or $278 for it, and I actually walked away with it for $60 before taxes. I actually really wrap this up. That's good. Keep from getting scratched. So this is beautiful. Beautiful pink with little butterflies. It's got Coach on there and the little Coach logo. Now this is an accordion wallet. I actually really like these. I carry the men's version, and it's probably my favorite wallet ever. Gives you a lot of space. If you got a lot of cards and stuff, you can get them down in there. And this little middle space is usually where you put your change or whatever you want to put in there. So that's the one for my mom. So may take that to her this weekend. If not, she'll get it next week. And let's see, let's pull back from this one. And all the same stuff is packed in there with it. This is like a maze trying to figure out how to unwrap these things. So, actually the same size. The men's ones look like it's a little bigger. It's probably just the design that makes it look a little different. So this is the men's one. That's the signature. So it's got the Coach C's on it. This is kind of the standard pattern that you'll see on a lot of Coach stuff. So it's that standard Coach pattern, so you know what it is by just looking at all those C's. So same thing. It's kind of got a color block up here in that orange. And this is a coated canvas, which I believe... No, this one's actually leather, but this is coated canvas. They started coating their canvas, I guess, because it could get really, really dirty. Which that's the thing about canvas. Canvas is a really nice material, but it picks up dirt, and it's a pain in the ass to clean. So, kind of the same deal. Nice blue interior. And I have a fanny pack that actually matches this on the way. It hadn't gotten here yet, but probably do a video, little review or unboxing when I get that. But that's all I have. So I'm super excited. I'm going to cut this video short because I am ready to get those screen protectors on, get these things in cases, get them set up. Cannot wait. It's been a long time coming because I think we've had those Air 2s for, I want to say, getting close to 7 years. It's been a while because those came out a while ago because they come out these things every single year. So that's all I got. Don't forget to subscribe below. You guys are great. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to do so below. And I'll see you next time. Universe Jarvis out.